Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken Claypot Yee Mee. For the ingredients, I have 2 portions of dry yee mee, 2 cups of water, 2 stalks of choy sum, washed and cut to 3 inches length, 3 pieces of shiitake mushroom, half, 1 whole chicken leg cut into pieces, 1 chicken egg, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half tablespoon of Sizzling wine, 1 inch nub of ginger stripe, 2 pieces of dry chili, 40 grams of pork lard cube, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion for garnishing. First, we are going to make the flour thickener. Add in the tapioca flour. Add in 3 tablespoons of water. And mix well. Put aside. Next, we are going to marinate the chicken. Place the chicken in a mixing plate. Add half of the salt. Add half of the pepper. Marinate it and put it aside. Now we will cook the Claypot Yee Mee. Heat the clay pot. When the clay pot is hot, add in the pork lard and all the salt. Cook the pork lard until the pork fat has been extracted and the lard becomes golden brown and crispy. The lard is ready. Remove the lard from the clay pot and set aside. With 40 grams of pork lard, there is too much pork fat extracted. You can use 30 grams of pork lard to extract the pork fat. So I'm going to remove some pork fat from here. The oil is really hot, so please be careful when removing the pork fat from the clay pot. Now we add in the crushed garlic and ginger. Give it a stir until fragrant. This will take around 30 seconds. When a nice aroma is released and the garlic and ginger has become soft, add in the chicken. Give it a stir. Add in the mushroom. Stir for about 30 seconds or until the chicken changes its color. Add in all the balance of the water and all the seasoning. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, Sizzling wine, pepper, and sesame oil. Stir to mix the seasonings. Add in the chili. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for 4 minutes. When there is a steam coming out from the gap of the lid and the clay pot, the gravy has reached the roaring boil. Open the lid and stir to ensure that the heat is evenly distributed. Close the lid and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the lid, poke the fork through the chicken meat to check if it's soft. Give it a taste. Wow, very yummy. Pour in the flour thickener. Give it a stir. The gravy should immediately thicken. If the gravy is sufficient to soak the yee mee, add in the dry yee mee. And stir the yee mee carefully without breaking the noodles. The yee mee will slowly become soft. Cover the clay pot and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Open the lid and give it a stir. The yee mee should be soft and pileable. Stir in the choy sum to coat it with the gravy. Make space to add in the egg. Add in the egg. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Open the lid. Wow, looks so good. Sprinkle the crispy pork lard and the spring onions. Switch off the heat and serve. Wow, look at that. This Claypot Yee Mee is just heaven. The chicken is soft, the yee mee is very tasty and flavorful. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you try it, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Bye!